Everyone's talking about AI image generators, but let's be real. Most of them either suck a dick or cost a fortune. So I tested over 20 tools to find the best free AI text-to-image generators in 2025, and here's the catch. None of them are completely free. They all have credit limits. But these 3 give you enough power on the free plan to actually create great images if you use them smartly. Let's break them down. Number 1, Leonardo AI. Leonardo is fast, creative, and seriously powerful. You get about 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for regular use. The image quality is crisp. You've got advanced settings like style presets, negative prompts, and even prompt guides built in. It feels like a premium tool, even on the free plan. But here's the trade-off. Once you use your daily credits, you wait, and every image you make is public unless you're on a paid tier. Still, for digital artists, thumbnail designers, or AI content creators, Leonardo is one of the best in the game. Number 2, Adobe Firefly. Firefly is Adobe's answer to AI art, and it's incredibly polished. You get 25 credits per month on the free plan, and each prompt gives you 2 to 4 variations, so you can stretch it out if you're smart. It's packed with pro features. You can control the camera angle, lighting, art style, and aspect ratio. There's even support for negative prompts, and the interface is clean and intuitive. Bonus, if you use Adobe tools like Photoshop or Illustrator, Firefly integrates right into your workflow. What's the catch? Sign up can be annoying, and 25 credits doesn't last long if you're generating daily, but the image quality, easily one of the best, especially for professional use. Number 3, Ideogram AI. Most AI tools absolutely fail at generating images with real text in them, but Ideogram is built for it. If you want quote graphics, banners, memes, or anything that actually needs readable text, Ideogram is your best friend. You get 10 credits per week on the free plan. The web app is simple, supports batch creation, and lets you remix previous results. Drawbacks? The credit limit is tight, and most features stay pretty basic unless you upgrade. But if you care about typography in your AI images, this is the only tool that really nails it. Now let's put all 3 tools to the test. Same prompt, same idea. 3 completely different results. The prompt: a futuristic city floating in the clouds at sunset. Ultra realistic. Cinematic lighting. Let's see what each tool gave me. Leonardo AI. The lighting is beautiful. There's depth, strong shadows, and the atmosphere feels alive. Some of the finer details get a bit smudged by distance, but overall, it looks clean and dramatic. Impressive for a free plan with daily credits. Adobe Firefly. This one has a really polished look, the kind of image you'd see on a movie poster. The camera angle and structure are tight, but it lacks some randomness. It feels more controlled and generated. Still, one of the most professional looking results here. Ideogram. It got creative but a little chaotic. The layout isn't as sharp, and the lighting feels more like a painting than a photo. But it did something interesting. It actually added text into the scene, like a title overlay. And for visual experiments or typographic art, that's a cool advantage. So what's my verdict? Leonardo gives you bold, creative power, so perfect if you're pushing out lots of visual content. Firefly is clean, cinematic, and controlled, ideal for designers or brand-focused work. And Ideogram is best if you need images with actual text that looks clean. None of them are perfect, but all of them are worth using, especially on a budget. Which one do you think won? Drop your vote in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns like this. This is Tool Drop, where I test the tools so you don't waste your time.